Do you know if you are one of those 3% people on LinkedIn who can get any job, any position, you can crack in? Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Moses Dooms and I talk about what you don't learn in colleges. And LinkedIn is one of the stuff that you don't get to learn in colleges, but you often look, you ask friends and you learn. So what the whole game was about LinkedIn? You have 930 million people on LinkedIn, and out of that, only 3% people are active. And what do you understand by active? According to LinkedIn, somebody who is posting on daily, somebody who is sharing, somebody who is commenting are the people who are considered as active profiles. And every day, these are the people who spend at least an hour. It's not entirely an hour. It's like 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening, 10 minutes at night. But overall, you need to spend about an hour on LinkedIn to comment and to congratulate people. You have to comment on their post. This is what makes you active. So whenever somebody searches on LinkedIn for profiles that match the job services or the JD and everything, LinkedIn will reflect your name as the top ranking. What are things you have to do as a part of this? One is, if you are on job search journey, make content for 50 days. This content needs to reflect on what are your skills and what is the requirement for the job based on the job description. Second, follow all the 50 companies where you want to apply job or where you want to work. Follow the company profiles, follow the CEO profiles, follow the VPs of those companies and the HR heads and the recruiters. Follow everybody, don't send friend request, just follow them and click on the bell icon. Once you start following all these people, whenever there's a new post, to get a notification. One thing you have to do for every notification is go and comment. As you start commenting, you'll start getting noticed among those set of audiences across those particular companies. Now it is very simple. If there's a job opportunity which comes up and which will be often at the company's LinkedIn page, you're the first person to get notified about it. Second is, you can request for reference to those HR people or to whoever you are connected to in that company. Since you have been commenting so often, there will be 30-40% chance that whoever you will be meeting for your interview, you might be connected to them on LinkedIn and you might have known them as a person. This helps you to stand in the top 3% where you will get your job. Thanks again for watching.